Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2013 Toyota Sienna air filter replacement with the little clips here. Just pull them back, and this kind of slides down, then you can slide your air filter out. Take the air filter out right here out of this tray. Air filter back in. It's actually a new one already. Maybe you can tell that. Just drop it back down. Click, click. Done. 2013 Toyota Sienna air filter replacement. How to change your air filter. Simple. You can do it.